How to remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to have yourself a Spotify application and make sure that it is up to date and you have signed in into your account. If not, you can go ahead and log in into your account. In your Spotify, you will find your very own playlist for you. You can have your daily mixes as well. To remove those recommended songs, it is pretty simple. Firstly, tap on the music that is recommended to you. Tap on the three dot, then select Hide this song. This will change the algorithm of your Spotify. If you want to hide the song from the artist itself, go ahead and tap on an artist, go on the three dot and tap on Don't play this artist again. It will again switch up with your algorithm. If you want to remove the recommended songs from your daily mix, it is pretty simple as well. All you have to do is tap on the playlist that is suggested to you.